In this video, I am going to share with you that how you can 10x your sales, build credibility and sell anything very easily using a simple testimonial software, which is Testimonial.to. Its name is Testimonial, and if you want to go there, you just have to go to webifiedhub.com/testimonial. This is an affiliate link, so if you will buy something from them, I will get a bit of commission. This is the link, or go from link in description. And why this software? Because this software will help you to easily get the testimonials from your customers, and will create you can create a wall of love for your customers. Then you can just show it to your customers. You can get screenshots. Like if you will see features, you will get blown up, because you can capture any screenshot. You will get video testimonials. You have the analytics for those video testimonials. Then you can just grab the tweets, Facebook comments as testimonials and put it on the wall of love. So I'll show you practical, because that's not how it works, because in words you cannot learn. I'll show you the practical part. I'll show you how this tool works, how it can be helpful for you, and then you can decide that if this tool is worth for you or not. So first of all, obviously you will have to sign up for this tool, and the best part of this one is that those integrations. You have integrations with all the popular CMSs. So if you have got all the testimonials and now you want to put these testimonials onto your website, Wix website, WordPress, Bubble, Webflow, HubSpot, or any kind of website or any other area, you can put it, because it would give this tool will give you a code and will guide you that put that code somewhere on your website, and all those testimonials would be shown on your website. And I'll show you how it works. First of all, you will have to sign up. You can sign up with Google or put all the details. Right now I'll sign in, because I already have signed up, and I have an account with Testimonial.to, and this is the dashboard. And here you can see this is basically the dashboard of this tool, a simple and minimal dashboard. And now what you have to do is you have to create a new space, because we don't have any space. So I'll just hit create a new space. First of all, the space name, I will say Web Hustlers Academy. Then from here you can add a logo to the space, let's say this one. Then header title, you can give any header title here, like I would say welcome to Web Hustlers Academy, or just simple welcome. Your testimonials are much appreciated and are motivation for me to create more content. Now here you can add any questions, and this is basically the live preview of this testimonial page, and you are creating this testimonial page. So whenever you can send this link to any of your customer, they will go to this page. They can record a video testimonial, or they can give you a text testimonial. And here you can add any questions if you want. By default, like who are you, what are you working on, then how has Web Hustlers Academy helped you, then what is the best thing about Web Hustlers Academy. Okay, so these were some of the questions. You can add more questions, or you can delete the questions. Then if you want to collect any extra information like their title or company, then if you want to get their social link or address, you can get all these things. Then if you want to enable video testimonial only, you want to choose a theme. If it should be like you can choose whether it should be dark or light. I want it dark. Then if you want to collect the star rating as well, and then if you want to add your own video message, you can from here you can add your own video message. Then language, then color, what should be the color, what is the theme. My theme is this one, so I'll go with this theme. Then if you want to auto translate it into other languages, you can select the languages in which you want to translate it. Then if you want, here is the thank you page. You want to customize this page, you can do customization like thank you title, thank you message. Then if you want to redirect them to your, like let's say I want to redirect them to my YouTube channel. So after someone will give give a testimonial, they will go to my YouTube channel, and from here if you want to give them a gift card, reward them something like gift card or Shopify discount, you can do it as well. Just select it, just select the amount, and then you can do the further. But I want to disable it, I don't want this one. And then I will just go back, and after that what I'll do is here some of the extra settings, like a maximum video duration. What should be maximum video duration? I want 60 seconds because I want these videos to be published on TikTok, etc. as well. Then max characters, max character 250 characters are max. Then video button, record a video, send in a text, you can change these buttons text. Then any consent statement or link to your own consent if you want. Then question label, and if you want to add your affiliate link, you can add affiliate link as well to it. So after having from, if they will just when you will hover over this one, so when someone will click on this testimonial button, you can see on the screen, and they will get the testimonial subscription. They you will also get the 30% recurring commission. Okay, and if you want to add any third-party review links, you can add those third-party review links as well. Here just add your third-party profile, third-party link like Google or Trustpilot or Facebook, and you will get the reviews from here. Then auto-populate testimonials to wall of love. Then disable video recording for iPhone users, no. And this one by enabling this option, all submitted testimonials will be added to the wall of love directly. If you want approval or not, you can select it, and then what you have to do is just go back, hit create new space, and your testimonial space is created, your wall of love is created. Added Web Hustlers Academy successfully. Here's the link. So this is the link to Web Hustlers Academy. So I will just paste the link to it here, and this is basically the Web Hustlers Academy space. So if someone will come here, what they will be prompted is record a video or send in a text. They will just hit record a video, they will allow it, and then I think I have denied it. They can submit a file, they can upload a video, or they can just record a video. Okay, or they can just send a testimonial in text form. First of all, testimonial, any image. Then these were the requirements that I asked for. Then they can upload their image as well, and then they will give you the permission to use these testimonials across social media, etc. I'll add all the details. Then the testimonial, any testimonial like sample testimonial, hit send, and the testimonial would be sent. Okay, here you go, the testimonial has been submitted, and they just directed me to my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's how it works. And now here I'll just close it. We just got one space, and I'll just reload it, and here you can see I just got one space, and this is the space. And here I have one testimonial, and this is the sample testimonial. Now you also have a lot of integrations, like you have the Chrome integration, and I'll tell you about that Chrome integration. To get the Chrome extension, you would have to go to this one and just go to Chrome extension. And here's what you can do with Chrome extension. You can add tweets from Twitter to your testimonial wall. You can add LinkedIn posts. You can add any highlighted text, screenshots, etc. to your wall of love. So I'll just add the testimonial to Chrome, and I'll hit add to Chrome, and this extension would be added to Chrome. It would take a few seconds, and here you go, the extension has been added to Chrome. And now I'll hit the testimonial, hit sign in, and it's already signed in, so it would take a few seconds. Here you go, it is already signed in. So if I will go to Twitter, and after I'll hit this one, here you can see this is the add to testimonial. If someone on LinkedIn mentioned me, like I'll just go to LinkedIn, On LinkedIn, here are some of the testimonials that my students gave me on my Udemy courses. So what I will do is I will just hit this one, or I'll just take this one and I'll take screenshot of it and I will just put it on my wall. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll hit take screenshot from here, take it, and done. This is the screenshot, and add to my wall of love, hit add, and that's how it would be added to my wall of love. Then I want to take screenshot of this one. I will make it a bit smaller so that we can take the full screenshot. So I'll here say take screenshot of this one from here to this one. And that's how I can add testimonials from social media as well and add to my wall of love as well. I'll just go to social media, I'll go to LinkedIn, and here I have to add LinkedIn post URL. So this is the LinkedIn post URL. So what I'll do is I'll copy link to post and I'll just go there, paste it, hit add, and you will see that the LinkedIn post would be added to my profile, will be added to this one. So I'll just copy link to this post as well, and you can see this one got added. Then I want to add a new one, so I'll again paste it. It is a post and I'll hit add and it would be added. Then if I want to add any external YouTube videos, a comment on my product, or a comment on any like any Google any review from YouTube, Vimeo, you can hit there, add the link or this ID, and the video will be added. Then let's say you want to add Google reviews, just go there and paste search your business here. I'll search Webify Hub. This is my business. Hit search. This is the business, and if I want to fetch all 23 testimonials, I can fetch all these testimonials, but I don't want to. Then you have these automations. If you want to do Zapier, Webhook, HubSpot automations, you can do all those kind of automations. Then here you have your wall of love, and you can select a layout. First of all, it should be masonry fixed, carousel slider. So I'll say masonry this one. Then same tag all, I'll say all, and here you go. This is basically the wall of love, and this is the code. So if we want to do more customization, we can do more customizations like border radius, etc, etc. Now what I will do is I will just go back, and I'll say carousel slider and this one, and I'll just copy the code, and now I can just paste this code anywhere. If like if I want it to be displayed on any website. And after copying the code from here, if I'll go to my website, this is my website, and here I am in Elementor. This is the WordPress website. It can be any website, and here if I will add the HTML code, HTML, and I'll just put it here. If you don't know about WordPress, you can give this code to your developer and he will do it all for you, he or she. And here you go. All the testimonials are added here, and these are scrollable testimonials. And I just had here you can see these are the scrollable testimonials, and these are added to my website, and I can check the responsiveness as well here on mobile, the responsive mode. Here here's how it looks on mobile as well. So here's how it works. You can get testimonials here, and then you can just put those testimonials here, code on your website, whether it's a Shopify or WordPress or any kind of website. Then here and these were your embedded wall of loves. Then you have if you want to embed any single testimonial, then you can create a code for it. Then a collecting widget. If you want to create a testimonial collecting widget, you can just copy this one and you can paste it into your website, and it would be pasted like it's all about code. Then you have these links, link to the public landing page. This is your landing page. Then this is your wall of love page where all of your testimonials are featured. registered, and then if you want to add a custom domain, then you can set up a custom domain. And if you want to add any do a reordering in wall of love or do any edits, you can do any edits in your wall of love as well. So that's how you can receive the testimonials. You can put it on your website, and when you have these much testimonials and you are getting that much credibility, and if someone will see that you are getting that much testimonials, because you get testimonials on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or no, not WhatsApp, on Facebook, Twitter, etc. You have to search for it. Just put it into one place. People will see that much testimonials at one single place. They will be flat. They will just love to be with you. So that's how you can just create the testimonials, and that's how Testimonials.to can help you a lot in building your brand, building your business, branding your business. So that was all about this video, and I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care.